So we are on problem 3. You are analyzing two mutually exclusive projects. The required rate of return is 14.6% per year for project A, which is right here on the left, and 13.8% per year for project B, which is right here. Although both projects require an initial $50,000 investment in year 0, the year 1 through 3 cash flows are different, and then it gives us our cash flows. So we go to the left. Let me get rid of that highlighted spot. So we go to the left. We have year 0, 1, 2, 3, and our rate. So our cash flow for project A, year 0, is negative $50,000, which is just the normal investment for both. So we can also do the same thing on the bottom. 50,000. Our year 1 cash flow for project A is 248,036,200,210,000. Then we'll go down to project's B cash flow, which is the last sentence of the paragraph. 41,000, 20,000, 10,000. Okay, so what we're going to do is which project we select is the one that has the higher MPV. So for project A, we will use the MPV function. Similar to projects 1 and 2, we have our rate, comma, years 1 through 3, close the parenthesis, and then add the year 0 cash flow. So this is a 13 very long number. This should be a number like 13,157.24 cents. I don't know what's up with my spreadsheet, but that's totally fine. Then we do the same thing on the bottom MPV. So MPV, we have our rate, comma, years 1 through 3. Years 1 through 3, close the parenthesis, add year 0. Enter. So this number is really an 8,000 number, which is smaller than the project A MPV. So I'm going to bold this. I'll give it a blue color because this is the one we want to choose for the project. It's a higher MPV. Problem 4, we'll scroll down a little bit. It will cost $6,000 to acquire an ice cream cart. Cart sales are expected to be $3,600 a year for 3 years. After 3 years, the cart is expected to be worthless, as the expected life of the refrigeration unit only lasts 3 years. If you want the project to produce positive cash flows in 3 years, should the cart be purchased? So we will start with we have our years, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Our begin value is our investment, which it's always negative because we're paying for it first. And then every single year, it will be the same value. So just like this. Now for a cumulative, what we're going to do is really add 3,600 every single year. So we're going to start off with our investment, which were negative, plus this value right here. We get a value still in the negative, but it's becoming closer and closer to 0. Then we're going to add another value, which is the same right here, to this value. So this equals 1,200. So we're making profit. Then we're going to do the same thing for year 0, or year 3, sorry. So this cash is positive, which means we should purchase the cart.